Thanks for using service folders. In this video, we are going to show you how to create a new job. First, you click the Add Job button on the right. Then fill the necessary details in the form. If the required status and job types are not found in the dropdown, you can add them in the Custom Fields module by following the steps here. Any additional form fields can also be added by making changes in the Custom Fields module. Adding the appointment details for the job can be made even after saving the job. The technician's name, date, and time to visit, a reminder of the job to the technician email, and mobile can be done here. Click the Add Item button to add the items required to complete the job. This is an optional field. Add the item details in the form and click the Save button to save the details. Any number of items can be added to the form that will be required to complete the job. Click on the plus Add Asset button to choose the customer's assets that need to be serviced in this job. This is an optional field. The assets that the customer has will be available in the dropdown. Choose the asset and click the Save button to save the details. Finally, click the Save button to save the job details.